Look at these cute dogs. They're just playing around with the mamas there. And just wanted to take some beautiful natural pictures there. And yes, the baby playing there. And yes, they're just 3 months older there. And already a big boys there. And even mamas, they're playing with the small kids there. That's a cute. That's it. I'm wonderful. Take care. I'll give you all the status updates. And again, look at this small kids. They're running around, playing around. As Darwin Nunes has missed his penalty there against Chelsea, but they wanted to score the game. So, what a beautiful video there. I hope you really like it. So, I'll share all those latest updates.